Good morning, all of my miners. I hope you're all doing well and fantastic wherever you guys are. Man, it has been a wild last month, and well, that caused this video to be delayed by a little bit. This video will be going over the July earnings that we did get for all of our DePin projects. That we have, whether it's the IoT hotspot, the mobile hotspots, the mobile phone. Chirp is still in beta, as well as the demo rewards, Uprock rewards, Grass, which I turned off for a little bit while we sorted some things out. Yeah, so, and a new one that I'm actually looking at, thanks to a local Oklahoma DePin enthusiast. And so, yeah, let's dive on in, guys. So, of course, we are pulling up the spreadsheet. So first off, I want to go over the one that actually I'm looking at grabbing. And this is more of like a ring. It is a health ring. I've actually kind of looked at these before, but this one allows me to earn some tokens. So, and it's not like crazy price. It's like $149 if you use like one of the codes to sign up, which I have one. It should be down below. Save yourself, I think it's 10%. So it's like 149 bucks. Nothing crazy, but it does track all of like your stats and things like that. So we will be adding that into this. I put ring, but I am pretty sure the ticker is health. Is the token. I am unsure because it mentions ring and health, but I'm pretty sure the ticker is going to be health for the token. But I did record all of my earnings before I left on all of my trips because, well, it was like right in the middle of leaving for trips when I normally make the video, so I had to leave for work, and well, I didn't get a chance. But I did write everything down before I left. That way, anything that I've earned now did not affect that, right? So, do check that out. And on our Osprey G1 IoT hotspot, we earned a total of 257 IoT last month, which is good because it was up from the month before when actually we earned a lot less. We're still not getting as many beacon rewards, and that is mainly just because I don't live in the city, so there are less IoT hotspots near me. All right, now when it comes into play with our Solana indoor hotspot, we had a 12,000 mobile token a month for the hotspot, and we made just about the same because we missed a few days, which I've noticed that if the phone dies and I charge it and I don't unlock it and I leave, everything that I have like all the miles that I drove do not count. I don't know what that is, but I've noticed that only when it's like been off and I charge it and then I turn and the phone comes back on, right? But if I don't unlock that first phone, that first unlock after a reboot, it will not count your hexes. So do keep that in mind. I don't know if that's a thing for every device, but I've noticed it with mine. So there's been actually quite a few times where like I left, made it all the way home, and then go look at it later or whatever just to check it, and I'm like, what? I didn't get anything for that day. And I've noticed it happens every time the phone dies. So, coincidence? I think not. So, do keep that in mind. If you, I don't know if it's maybe just it's an iPhone thing. I don't really use iPhones. This is the only iPhone I own. So which I'm actually looking at upgrading it because it's becoming kind of a potato. But the SE is like, it's small, but it's like robust. Terrible joke. Terrible, terrible, terrible. Anyway, our chirp rewards, we have not earned anything yet because they are not on mainnet. I mean, technically we've been earning testnet tokens, but they're just testnet tokens. Grass, apparently the airdrop will be coming here soon, so our grass tokens as well are also technically, they're mainnet rewards, but this is not the amount of grass you'll be getting. So that is that. And make sure if you are using it, make sure you link a wallet with it, because after the 25th, I think it was, you will not be able to link your wallet, and you may not get to claim rewards. So do verify the wallet. Our demo, we did get a total of 164 demo this last month, which is the most that we have earned with our 2 demo devices, that being the AutoPi, which is in our car, and then the Macron, which I have in a family member's car. So the Macron actually attributes to my earnings on my IoT hotspot, because it is close enough, it runs on the Helium network, that it provides data to my hotspot for offloading its data. So I get paid for that. As well as our Uprock app, it was broken, I guess, during half of the month, so we didn't get hardly any rewards from it. I should have checked on it, and I didn't. I let that one slip through the cracks. Now we're earning ore as well as win with our Uprocks, so I have it on, and I updated it, and I've logged back in, and we're good. So we should have some better earnings next month, hopefully. The price of Uprock is down bad, is real bad. As well as, of course, like health, we didn't earn anything yet because we are in the process of buying that. So whenever you go to order it, you go to Discover, right? And you go for your ring size. I still got to figure that out. But if you go to order, it is $169. If you put in a user's address, so like I have my buddy, I'll be using his address, and it gets it to me for $149 total. So I don't know if that includes taxes or shipping, or if we have to pay in crypto. I hope so. But yeah, we'll have more information with that next month, which is not that far away, to be completely honest. It is like a week away. So guys, please hit the like button, subscribe button, that bell notification. I would be greatly appreciative of you if you do that. You're all out freaking standing. As Max said, you're all awesome. Stay awesome. Peace out. And well, we'll see you on the next one, guys.